Good morning, world. I think I need more light. The window was drowning me out, but now I feel like it's dark in here. It's a beautiful spring day here in Enosburg Falls, Vermont. That's a little better, I think. Welcome to my live video. Today I want to talk about something that's probably on a lot of people's mind. Either you, either you haven't filed your taxes yet and you're waiting for a tax return, or you got your tax return and it's all gone because you had all sorts of bills to pay and all that fun stuff. Maybe you're like me and you're just starting to get a little cluttered and you just want to have a little less clutter in your life, but you want to translate it maybe into some fundage, maybe some money in your pocket, because you know what? Having extra money for the things that you love or care about is really important. Stella's going to say hello. For instance, I always want to spend money on improving Stella's existence, so sometimes I'm a little short of that and whatnot, and I know it's spring cleaning time, and I came across a really cool article, and I want to share with you some of the tips that they shared, and also share a couple of tips that I've got about cleaning up your closet, getting rid of some clutter, and maybe putting some extra money in your pockets. Good morning, Judy. What's going on? Happy to see you. Do you have a nice spring day there in Pennsylvania? Because it's pretty nice over here. It's pretty nice. So let's go ahead and jump right in it. If you're looking to find a way to produce money out of money you've already spent, this is a big thing. So continue to watch. I've got 4 tips straight up from the magazine article that I read that I thought were really cool. And then I'm going to add my own spin to each one of those tips for giving you some more ideas. Really, it's cold. What's the temperature there, Judy? Because we can open windows today here. We're like 58 degrees. We're like Canada, practically. I was just talking to a friend of mine that's local, and we both are like, 60 later, okay, it's good. Be happy. Soon we'll be in, well, if it's 60 degrees, I'll be in flip-flops today no matter what. I do that as soon as 40 hits, so there we go. As long as there's no snow on the ground. So I was talking to off track. I was talking to a friend that's local here. What's going on, Phil? Welcome back. So happy to see you. You look amazing, by the way. I love your profile picture. Fantastic. It's amazing. I'm really excited. Anyway, the local girl, yeah, 60 is my jam too. She was dreaming about cleaning her front yard, and so was I last night. My dream was a little like explicit, and I'm like, what's going on? So, unfortunately, cleaning my front yard is not going to help me make any money, but it will help me feel better, and it was interesting. So, by the way, anyway. So, here we go. How can we declutter things that we have that maybe we've already spent money on or other people have spent money on, and turn it into some pocket change, or turn it into something that maybe, well, I'll get into it. Number one thing, this is crazy. I'm gonna read you a stat that I just can't even believe is true. 1/3 of the people that receive gift cards never even use them. Why? Because maybe it's a retailer that's far away or a retailer they never used. What's going on, Andrea? And so they just sit around, but they don't expire and they don't go out of date. So what do? Maybe you don't want to shop on their online store if they don't have, maybe they don't even have one. There's a really cool thing that you can do that I absolutely love. You can go to raise.com, RAISE.com, and you can actually sell it for cash online there and get rid of that card that you're not going to use and get some money so you can go shopping locally. Maybe you just want to shop locally. Maybe it has nothing to do with, I don't have a Walmart near me or something like that, which that's not really true for most. Or maybe I don't have a Target near me. Maybe it's about, I prefer to shop at local stores, so I'm going to get rid of this gift card, sell it for cash for people that want to shop that way, so that I can support my local health food store or my local diner or my local this or that, okay? That's really cool. So gift cards that you have that you don't use, you can sell them on raise.com. My turn that I wanted to add to it is, you could also donate it to your local food bank or your local shelter. It's possible that someone there is willing to go and turn that into goods for local people to help your community. Maybe you want to donate it. Maybe that's a lot of work for them and you don't want that to, be a lot of work because they're already working really hard to put together resources for your people. Is you could sell it on raise.com and donate that money amount to the local food bank or the local shelter or the local resource center. Boom. Okay, so you can cash in your wallet or cash in someone else's wallet. That's what's up. Number 2, your old electronics. Don't be surprised, even though you may think they're old and you don't need to use them. Maybe you've got an upgraded TV or whatever, and maybe you have one sitting around. Maybe there's somebody, what's going on, Lauren? How are you? You can get rid of electronics. And a lot of people save them, you know. Anybody else kind of save their old electronics? I do. Well, there's a website for you. It's called swappa.com, and that's SWAPPA.com. And you'd be able to actually put it up there, and they pay you via PayPal if they want it. So you create a listing. Swappa does the pricing research for you, okay? And that'll make your gadget attractive to other buyers. And once somebody buys, boom, direct deposit into your PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account, get one. What's going on, Lauren? Where are you coming in from? I don't know where you live. I'm just curious. I like to know where everyone is coming in from. Or you could take electronics and clean them up and do the swap thing and take the money and donate it. Or you could donate it to your local food shelf or your shelter. Maybe somebody's moving into housing that has been homeless for a while and they don't have anything. They don't have a TV or a microwave. New York City in the house. What's up? That's awesome. Maybe you could take those electronics and donate it to people that don't have any and don't have any extra money to spend on stuff like that. That would be really great. Or, like I said, you could sell it on Swappa, take the money and donate it that way. Or you could just keep it for yourself towards something that you're reaching for. We all have things that we want. Whether we're looking into a business opportunity that we don't quite have the money for in our bank account. Maybe we've got some personal debt. I know I've got some personal debt. It's my goal to kill that debt in a good way, you know, pay it with interest and all that stuff. Any extra money that I can get my hands on would help me in that endeavor. Maybe you've got student loan debt that you want to put towards it. Whatever it is. All of it's good for you. Whether you're giving it away or giving it back or paying it forward. It's good. So, what's up? Number 3, the big one is clothes. Now, there's several different ways. I even, Aliza Williams, she's a YouTuber that I like to watch. Hey, Dave, she actually has an app where she can sell her clothes. I've got to find that out for you. As a matter of fact, that'll be the reach out. If you want to know the name of that app, connect with me. I will have it by the time you message me, okay? But there's a website that you can use as well. You go through your clothes, you find some stuff that you're just not wearing. Maybe you got something that's super cute and you just don't wear it. Maybe you got something, maybe somebody gave you some clothes that you're just not going to wear. This goes for guys, right, Dave, and girls? It happens. I know that I have a bunch of clothes. I wear about, as you can tell on video, I wear about 1/3 of my clothes. I could probably make a big dent in my closet and have more room for fresh things in my life that maybe I'll wear more if I made some changes with that. The website that the article suggests is called ThreadUp. Excuse me, that's ThreadUp.com. What's going on, Lola? So they're looking for things that are within the last 5 years, ThreadUp. So let me see here. I want to make sure. No, actually, it's not. Where did I get the last 5 years? I saw that somewhere. Anyway, it doesn't matter. You can go to those websites and find out what their requirements are. And like I said, you could take that money, you could use it to buy new threads. Maybe you lost some weight and you want to put on some nicer clothes. Maybe you gained some weight and you don't want to feel like you're wearing sweatpants and t-shirts all day and you want to go get something nice. Maybe you want to donate it. Again, what's going on? I see you. See somebody with a fish there. I'm thinking that's a Michael Allen. What's happening, Spike? So you could go to ThreadUp, sell, and use that money any way you want. Pay your bills, save it, spend it on your grandchildren, donate it, use it to start a business venture, whatever it is, okay? The final thing is your furniture. Now, I know the name of this is Clean Closet. I'm sure you're not keeping furniture in your closet. I don't know. But like I just saw a fisherman on here. Oh, that's Dave. Dave, I thought you were Michael. I don't know why. Nice fish, by the way. What is that you caught? It's huge. especially fishermen, you might have some old rod and reels around that you don't want to repair or you no longer use because you have your favorite rod and reel. Those things you can sell too. Furniture, letgo.com. Pretty simple, letgo.com. They organize listings by photos, so you don't have to worry about writing attention-grabbing headlines like on Facebook Marketplace or anything like that. And let me see, Letgo can analyze your photos and tell you how much your items are worth based on similar listings, give you recommended selling prices. Plus, you can include videos in your posts. So that's really cool. Maybe you have an old couch that is no longer suiting you, but you want to show people how awesome it is. Maybe it's a pull-out couch or one of those sectionals that turn into a big full-size bed or whatever. You could demonstrate it and show people that it works. You know what I'm saying? Or show people, hey, it's really beautiful, but there's this one little thing you got to do when you're pulling it out that'll help you, whatever. That's a lot of resources for somebody. And you can sell some furniture for great money. I know I love used furniture. One of my favorite things in the world. The reason why is because it's eclectic and it has history already and things like that. I really love that. So that'd be a place that I'd go looking for some furniture. The final thing that you could do, and depending on the weather near you, right now we're in April, we'll probably have a lot of rain, so it's not a great month for that. Us in the northern states, I'm at the 45th or 49th parallel. I'm high. I'm really up there. July and August are better for us. That doesn't mean you can't get started. That doesn't mean that you can't start cleaning out and getting rid of stuff. And you could put those things away and you could have yard sales. Or you could have a virtual yard sale and do a Facebook event and invite everyone local to come check out your stuff and have it set up so people can come look and take it away. It's time to just clear it all out. That's what I'm saying. I believe that these particular things that we should probably be doing this about every quarter or every 6 months. Just get in there and start purging. Because if you want something new in your life, if you want something fresh in your life, it's a good idea to make some room for it. That doesn't mean you've got to buy, hey, Carrie Burke, what's going on? How's the weather down there on Long Island? It's got to be amazing. I hope it's beautiful and sunny like it is here. Get rid of that stuff. You don't have to have, now I'm saying this when Carrie's on here, she's like the top realtor in all the Hamptons. You don't have to buy a giant house to fit all your stuff. You could live happily in the house that you have as long as you pare it down and keep it reasonable for you. It's going to help you pay off your bills. It's going to help you save money. And it's going to help you donate to causes that matter to you. You know what I'm saying? Maybe you want to put a deck out there. Maybe you want to add a deck to your house. You don't want a bigger house, you want a deck so you have more outdoor living space. Where are you going to get that money from? Maybe you want to start a side business so you can get that money and then some. There's all sorts of reasons why money will make your life a little better. Things aren't necessarily what's going to make life really enjoyable. Having the money to do things that you want to do makes more sense to me. I enjoy adventures. So with that being said, I'm going to find the website that oh my gosh, Aliza Williams shared where she sells her clothes. It's really awesome. It's an app on your phone, and I think it's a great idea for anybody because you could just take pictures of yourself wearing it and post it and all that fun stuff. I'll go look for that. You message me, reach out, and I will be happy to share that app with you. And in the meantime, I've got so much to do today. A lot to do today. So I'm out of here. I'll see you later. Thank you guys for watching. If you're coming to the replay, let me know it's a replay. And if you're watching this on YouTube, because I post all my lives on YouTube, make sure you hit that subscribe button, the thumbs up, and the bell notification so you don't miss a thing. I'll see you later. Peace.